I'm Claire Miranda. I'm from the Asian People's Movement on Debt and Development, and I'm based here in the Philippines. The board meeting 6 here in Cebu is fitting because Cebu is like a glimpse of the reality in terms of loss and damage. But here again, here we have seen we are disappointed that the board is not taking ambitious actions because the fund remains underfunded. That's a reality that we are facing right now. Even if we've won the establishment of the fund has barely $1 billion in its resources, and that gives us that doesn't give us hope because the loss and damage fund is our only hope for us to survive, for us to address the losses and damages that we are facing every year. And our communities have been suffering long enough, but then we are here at the board meeting hearing the same promises, the same excuses that developed countries don't want to fulfill their obligations. They don't want to put in money to the fund. They don't want to fill the fund.